Hey you guys, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and today, before we begin, two important things. Let me show you this. This is a live account, okay? Number two, it is 10/1/2021, the 1st of October, I'm sorry. And as you can see here, I had sent out to the signals group a first entry on this one, which we're up currently 50 pips or so. And we have a target of 70 pips, which is close to hitting that target. Now, I did enter on the second position, and so that's what's making it 80 pips. But again, we're looking pretty. I told you guys to make sure if you are not in the signals group, then you want to get involved with the Simplicity trading system and get the 2 Easy system with it. It was very easy to take this trade because I told you guys about the 415 strategy. Basically, I'm looking for trades that are bumping off the bottom of my zone. And then after that, I am looking for them to, I'm looking for that entry on the 15-minute. I might tell them just take their money at this point. It's already there. It's sitting at a resistance level. I'm seeing that. So I will see that. Better yet, let me do this. Just get the bag, baby. Get the bag. All right. So let's see where it's stopping at. It's stopping right here. Why is that? Okay, I see it now. It could go ahead and touch a little bit higher, but I'm seeing that it's hitting this level right here. See that, see that, see that. So let me tell the group in the signals group, sorry, I'm doing this live while I'm recording with you guys. Let me send them a signal to take their profits. $50 pips. So okay, so I'll let them know to take their profits on that. But anyway, point is that this is a very good trade. I'm very happy with it and how it turned out. And let me do this. But I'm wondering, it could go higher. I'm telling you, it could go higher. So should we take the money and run? I think we should, shouldn't we? All right. So anyway, I'll let them know that. But anyway, sorry, I'm doing this while I'm recording with you guys. So it's at 45 pippers. I think let's take the money and run. Close that one out. Okay, there we go. So anyway, back to the video. Sorry, I was doing that live for the signals group. I just told them take the money. So anyway, it's a very good trade, simple trading system. This is one of the ways you can make money. If not, join the signals group. Okay. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you for watching the video.